Hi, my name is Chien, and welcome back to the Learning Sitecore video. And today I would like to talk about how to check the how many concurrent users accessing into the Sitecore backend at the same time. Okay, so now you go ahead to click on the desktop. And finally, I'm using the administrator account to access into the Sitecore backend. Okay, so you can see at the bottom right we have the database here. You should select the core. Okay, and after that back to the dashboard content editor. You can see here under the tree we have the client. Click on the application to expand it. You have the license option. You can see here we have the kickoff user. You can copy the path here. I will open in another window. Learn cycle. Hit enter. Okay, here you can see here we are able to see the list of concurrent user accessing into the system at the same time. Okay, and I will keep this URL in this tab and back to the content management. Back to the home. Click on the user manager. Here, now I will use another account and access into the Sitecore by using another browser. I will use the account with GenV8 and GenV8.1. Go ahead to open the Firefox. I will copy the URL. Learn. Enter the password. Okay, it log in here. And now back to the Chrome and open the Kickoff User tab. And I will refresh this page here. You can see for now we have GenV8 logged in into the system. And now I will try to open another window and enter URL. I have GenV8.1. Enter the password. And I back to the kickoff page here. You can see here it lists all of the user accessing into the system. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and after you finish this you are able to track how many concurrent user is accessing into the Sitecore backend at the same time. Okay, I hope that helped. Bye bye and talk to you later.